smelled like a flower shop all week. It's been amazing.
Thanks to all of you.
Oh. We have prepared a few songs that we would like to sing, and then after we sing our songs, we have a little surprise for everyone. Yeah. They've been working hard the last couple weeks at all these secret projects. You haven't told, have you? No. Okay. All right. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Sit down. Wait, let's start all together. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I let it go again. Why did I let it go? Couldn't pick my finger so. Wasting the minute bite. The little one on the white.
Yes, are you on Facebook?
Yes.
Find me on Facebook and I can upload it and give you the link. I'll put it on YouTube and you can download it that way.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Sit down, Madeline. W-E-T-E-R.
Oh, T-E-R.
And what I like about it is that after you learn the old words, you can think of things you'd like there to always be and sing about them. But first, let me teach you the old words. There'll always be sunshine. May there always be sunshine. May there always be blue skies. May there always be mama. May there always be me. Now what I like is you can think about things that you'd like there to always be. Right in the car or even before you go to bed. Now here are some things that children have told me they'd like there to always be. May there always be pizza. May there always be houses. May there always be dad. May there always be the world. May there always be flowers. May there always be dinosaurs. May there always be friends. May there always be music. May there always be ice cream. May there always be ducks. May there always be summer. May there always be trucks. Let's sing the old words one more time. May there
Always be sunshine.
May there always be blue skies. May there always be mama. May there always be me.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I should have brought my video camera.